Loving greetings from Auxilium Tangla. I, on behalf of all the sisters, wish to express a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year 2021 to all our parents, teachers and you my dear children. On 25th December every year we commemorate the birth of baby Jesus. My wish and my prayer for each one of you is this: may the babe of Bethlehem fill in our homes, in our hearts, with his peace, with his joy and with his love. May the coming year may be a fruitful, peaceful and prosperous one. Once again wish you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. God bless you all.
dear children, teachers, and parents, I take this opportunity to greet each one of you a very happy Christmas and a prosperous New Year 2021. In the Holy Gospel according to Saint John, it is said, "For God so loved the world that he gave his only Son, so that all who believe in him may not perish, but may have eternal life." On 25th December every year we celebrate the birthday of Jesus. Why this celebration? The day that Jesus was born, the angels sang, "Peace to people of good will." He was born in a stable at Bethlehem 2000 years ago, in a cold winter morning, winter night. His mother Mary wrapped him in swaddling clothes and placed him in a manger. The shepherds came to adore him and rejoiced greatly at his birth. The three kings from the east too arrived with gifts of gold, frankincense, and myrrh, as they were told in a dream to go and worship the King of Kings who is born in Bethlehem. They followed the star and reached the place of his birth. There is great rejoicing in the hearts of people all over the world because Jesus is the Prince of Peace. He gives us immense blessings on his birthday. People celebrate it in various ways by exchanging cards, gifts, Christmas cakes, Christmas crib, and so on and so forth. At times there is the possibility of forgetting the meaning of Christmas. My dear students, my dear people, children, and parents, teachers, this is a time when we can look forward to receive many blessings. At the same time, he is inviting us to open our hearts to be more loving, more kind, more gentle with those around us so that we can love him more. It's a time of joy, peace, and love. We will receive his blessings in the measure in which we are open to one another, open to him. Let this Christmas be one special year, one special event in our life, as we have suffered this year very much on account of the pandemic. Many people have lost their lives, but Jesus comes to tell us, do not lose hope, do not be afraid, I am with you. You will have better days ahead of you. This is my message for you. I wish you all God's blessings, the blessing that Jesus brings, which will never be taken away from us. God bless you all.